Aki muntu bintu binde nakwanete because I was angry. I didn't mean them. Nande why would we throw away friendship to bwate ngisingishe bintu nakwanete kingekiri gaki.
Why not doing another time by you?
Happy in my territory. Now, it's not obviously chicken,
but I'm glad that I'm
I'm sorry. My time was not about was a young such. On your room, I always come to one-on-one, man to man. I want to wear it. For now, I was one. It was to get woman and Oscar. Ma, when I get you might be one there. Everybody in a buyout. I'm not going to see me. I'm going to go with you now. I can't be a baby. Oh, no. My dimension, I think I don't get a case out. Give me 1 hour. My shanking over. My driver is going into my son. Urito come to the one. I'm killing the time for that. I want to want to go there like that according to Pia.
Kind of. Are you kidding?
Again, there will be the one answers and again, like matrix 1+1. Until at the end of the day, I have a life. 19 the future, money, you know. And you don't make it to me now, but I can't do it. Yes, I'm not doing anything. Yes, but you can't pay the whole. It's okay. I can try. I'm going to go. No, I always call that was the movie.
You are made of sun for some time. We respect each other as friends.
In fact, Corrito Boga. Can I get some comment? I have a might like that. Doran Coy, nine. Like that. Oh, no, I think
Kwamboka. Ntaibu bwange kiwacha ko karaga iga because last time kere kwalenga it's like you are threatening my life.
Hakika mto yani nguchi. In fact, I'm very sorry for what I did.
Okay.
Yani mayana nimetenga na wala vitu nyingine, but I am so sorry. Timetenga korego. Yani I don't know why I did that. Nande, you are my friend. Please now, Sabiri, just a moment. There's something I'm asking for your help.
So you can apologize no mpole. Yani kwamboke style watch tegaiga okonyogera yani buno monto moibi yani okangogera n'abantu taramanya for years nje no monto nago connect nechi deal na I've ensured you stay in this town. Lakini style kuangogerete, by the way, let me tell you. Nje no enturbena na monyora. Nkamote ye biasara byago na kwamboka I don't want because moko genda isko gali musaba ne chibesa momago chaga iga nende mo chake go. I don't want to hear anyway. Kwa na bango wangu
ndani taribobe lakini umetebona magana mbere ile bobe mpaka yani chibesa chia sinyire kumbe trubeno yo tonyoreti tenderi wande batinga apply
yunkwenyorete kere kwenkonyogerera
tarigo umete no style trubena ari kongira nerinkaro na baranyore mubwate deal. That is when I understand korwa sina ringi ku pono mochando obeire no ringa kumbe company iri kwante betinga beke tenda nkachinga supply bacheti banga kane turubena nero kare kusaini amasakara rindenga kane tara na
you didn't know
na manyete ma
igo that means kero manyete gento byabo monto na rio ko worked right kero tara manye value yo monto igo go chayo monto. I took you to that company na ndena kwereste biasana kino kabesa turubena chibesa lazima utazipata ewache tegaiga okantebio kwanza mwabwate besa chibesa chana chichi kwagenda kugure gari bono
akiro chimillion ne gari
na kikwantebeti What did you tell me?
I was joking. That jokes.
Yeah, linga sorry, you are threatening my life. Ogante go konyora turubena rest in peace togo chukoteba. What did togo chukoteba rest in peace?
Na kwa ni vintonta inyori.
Mwesko mingoma ina wachura sana. Yeah. Na ninge njona alingere na mopimire na ibika gotegera.
Okay.
Pono taite toko bichana yo mudrega umutumire. Omatai na ki kila nituko ngoje kliniki kila nituko ngoje kliniki wakwane bakana vile bono na vile 7 bono again kapa mtadiri go bono mai kuma taima ki engin na analyze mu murumino ono guteta como konya mungaine ngaki ina machi kwa ngenta robisiga wakwane bakana kanda Omatenga again to get a coin of OKIONDO with a coin and then OKIONDO in the next 2 months really Matenga key Mohammed more than 2 million. And Omatenga taking at my Moloiga, Guru Washmo, family, Bias, Nikiana. I know my go here. I want 2 million in you. I walk away from.
Okay, I really like Ngokoni. We care about our and more you are independent what to be. Lakini professionally think on my area, singing you. Ethics professionally, don't you know that thing on your long name. So fast, as much as I'm concerned, in a session we are watching, and I want to find a solution. They're practical, they're based on any lives, they're genuine.
Daktari tayari mmoja mmoja. Rotuna kwa mia milioni jibe mchopo kwa mwana kwa kokonya. That's the best thing that you're going. Una woteka kwa mkonya maana daktari.
Tatatengo konya ikira kwa sango kwa kura senkora ya. Natali out of minds.
Let's go on.
Tuisa kwa kora ya.
Amai la ngani takajiwe.
Number 1, it is not right. It's ethically incorrect. Number 2, take over non maskari to what in there, take on your camera, correct to name, and we are not supposed to do such a thing with our clients. This is supposed to be a helping relationship.
Okay, like that, I'm cool this one. I know massage. What are the text sites?
I'm not taking sides. Go with the big cream.
Already, what I can say, yeah. No, what I see in the Kokonya profession, you are here.
I understand and I thank you for the intention here on Konya. Lakini, ni mdochi mnanda Konya. Ni mdochi mnanda Konya. Onya kwa mzondo. Wote nina wanyone say 22 million. Omani mnoko jebanga. So that what happened in the past does not recur.
Like that, let me ask you a question. What I'm going to say, or you want to get to the how will you feel? And you have a chance to help me.
That will be very sad for me. I know I have a chance. I want to work with you. Mbakwe kirasi, okokonyika, oro mtu maronge, ora asintaka koba. As a person, financially, emotionally, psychologically.
Let me ask you a question.
Thank you.
Let me ask you a question. No, you are
I do not want to discuss it.
Now out of topic. Okay.
I am not married.
We are the same. 2 million in Chile, so we talk about the solutions. We said, in general, we school without career. Secretly, she's in love with you. I'm going to go come on, I just will box you out. On your I know my family is very brief. I will be back with you. I'm around the door. One of the pillar. No, I can't go to Chankago, was no buggy in your man, in to make a decision. Just give on out to 2 million. It's go to Wakarama and subtract. I'm not going to be. I know I'm going to take a key. The carrying to work on it, Moscow, we're going to want to take for free. Do you win?
I really appreciate your gesture for them. Yeah,
I'm actually helping you.
Hakimu mtevinto winde na kwanete because I was angry. I didn't mean them. Nande, why would we throw away friendship to buate? Ngesi ngisho vinto na kwanete kingechiri yaki.
Oko gechuguniki njenkarenga kwange even that day you pissed me off nabana abwate nabona enkoira ni mage gali engo chuate Karogo chagonte ibuna oh etinko na mole TikTok mota I pressed in peace to Rubena. What is that? And do my tente no to Rubena ngane you. Let me tell you.
Please now sorry they.
Nte ibina to Rubena ngane you na what to ko mwaka to moli rest in peace. That's not how friends should behave. You are apologizing just because Oroche tender just because you met tender is there 4 million
on that money. By the way, on that money, how much anianza needed to attend ya 4 million. Hata lingine anaweza mpea nafasi tu atafute pole pole.
You are saying this because kwa nana ki she can be beneficial. And rero kwa manya na ki when I tell you something ni me taking go kwana. Na kwa reste bya sana. Ngagotena na ki turubena so bona abantu bamaite besa te ko babora. Ogachaga yo gantebi 1100 mpaka 10. You think I've not seen cash before?
I am sorry.
The right person you should be apologizing to Turubena. Talinche. Njenoroje Turubena.
Lakina musika inanera tali.
No. You embarrassed me in front of people. Okonda mabuna chibestia una chinchete nkagore Yani I fail to understand kaikwa nkolengera likerogo nte yamangana alionspi. A whole me.
I am sorry.
It's okay, you are sorry, lakini you are sorry does not matter here. Gendo sabe Turubena mabera. I'm not involved in the korero.
Okay.
Korera tute bosani bwa bantu batato. Korera one friendship ya bantu abere. Bosani bwa bantu bato bwata mangana mange sana.
Ndoko baba basani because nche na apologize by the way from the bottom of my heart.
It's okay. Nche torangosera.
Tungo osabane moga kinometa bantaba. 4 million is a lot of money. One biashara bya negotiate kabiri.
You are apologizing because of the money and not even what you did.
No. I am sorry na koramete. Na koramete arotari buya na kwanete. I am sorry. Please gemunto. Yani please gakimo kwanere imeta na go sigeta na bago koyiwa.
No. Your apology should be as loud as the disrespect. No matter kimna kwa embarrassed.
Okay, ngio tete nkole. Ntebi I will do anything.
Get out of my car and leave. Kina kinde tokole. Get out of my car and leave. Ntaiti apologies tiago.
Please.
Do you know lakini madhara kwa ngoroga inchaba nto basigete? Nchano area na wake ron saba advice. Omago cha embarrassing. Do you know who I am?
They don't.
No, my attention.
We were just the two of us. Need to argue into do.
Para igoro ngote kwa somera ta para igoro abana be school ba weta bako iguno go nsomera. Oga somereke nyoreke gima. Do you know amangana alibono iga tekerasi akuna mali mtu ajui na ki ke mtu na terdete turubena. No enturubena iwa mangana ya I don't even know. What will be your fate?
Please, Aki, don't tell me to get out of your car. Hakika kingo cha kira 4 million chingi. Please, motewe to sign. Oh, sign work. Just a signature. In fact, if
you think it's that easy. Aya, turubena ngoji te komate kumruanioli. Now you are beating around the bush. Okagerete muna timaiti muna tali go send interview ko apologize because no ene no chieto kamuogerera. You think we don't talk?
Asira.
Pana tulumna kata in the beginning. Professionally, tell based on any deception. Umata na kutera wacha kuita. Kani tinduna where are you going with the idea? Again, you sound very good plan. Okay, you sound like you have the wings. You are the person who can be a visionary. One of my new, to make a second an actual plan that is based on lies was deception. You have a future.
Okay, you need to what future, to what plans, una maono. Today, the clinic got a hospital.
I hear that.
On your president, Chico, one I know when you there is no way after you are and talk and not to walk a deal. No, in China, I go to Sopara, Chichiwa.
As much as
no, you don't see we quack a deal.
It's okay.
You don't want to succeed. More walk a deal, I don't walk in another. This man is changing. Ome tara tukiri ngiyo ke tuwodi ga.
As much as you want to progress na then kama ndenga nonga ndetia mayayo ndio nachini ko gametia maya lakini ngota to ko kinjire no kitora agenda so that we progress.
Maisha hata intera nonge ju kwa bana ngeyo so mera to. Kwa sababu mimi sabeti hivi moga certificate hiyo kama psychology mwa kwa kama daktari ga. Are you qualified?
Like I said, I am ready to walk the journey with you.
Tutakuwa konya bana mura kwa hii mundoga.
I am a professional psychologist. I've been doing this.
Hakuna hii ni fake. Tuba certificate ya. Certificate hiyo wata. Bana wata na kitu konya ni kila mtu hapa. Umeenda kwa haraka.
I'd like you to calm down.
Umeenda lenga mwe. Ndio mwe kwa kajira. Ngo kwangu shika ntori tuba certificate ya ndio sasa nguo.
I appreciate that. But I'm not going to get into any malicious kind of deals. Na lengo kwenye professional.
Bana ni mtu ngasa, I'm a pastor. I'm pastor Uguru.
I'm not a pastor.
Ekasi ni kanyari tena.
Ndio kwenye professional.
Mororero wezeki. Pera. Utakaa maskini. No tango ngoja kwa ropa ngo ngi brado yana. Uno tigangene. Mukwero kwa mwenye gitari ethics ningi.
We are opening.
Kesa hiyo ni clinic ya hospital.
Yeah, I understand.
Kwa ana chote kaje kwa hospital. Ote tu sanase hata kwa kwana. Na tayari tu kwa kwana na kwa kana. Na therapy. Everyone be doing.
In case you change your.
Yo tengo que hablar con somero que tú llamas no ama to kunya. Hata goro sema tuliko. Kwa mimi ayo nataka kuona mimi sasa jana sasa tiga.
In case you change your.
Hakuna kitu ya kesi line kwa tunatafuta pesa. Hii ni Kenya. Na tena.